In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 22-inch dual blade push mower. We have featured a 60-volt mower. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your mower may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you've purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. These items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Adjusting the handlebar. Start by pulling both handlebar latches at the same time to unlock the handle. Raise the handlebar until it clicks into place in the mounting holes. Make sure both sides are aligned at the same height for a balanced grip. Step 4. Setting the cutting height. This mower offers 7 cutting height settings. To raise the height, pull the lever outward and move it backward. To lower it, pull it out and push it forward. Choose the height that best suits your lawn and conditions. Step 5. Using the grass catcher. To attach the grass catcher, turn the mulch door switch to left. The door will swing open, directing clippings toward the rear. Hold the catcher in one hand, lift the rear door with the other, and hook the catcher onto the rail. Let the rear door rest on top of the catcher to secure it. Step 6. Mulching. If you prefer mulching, lift the rear door and remove the grass catcher. Then, turn the mulch door switch clockwise to close it. This redirects clippings back into the lawn, helping to fertilize naturally. Step 7. Side discharge. For side discharge, make sure the grass catcher is removed and the mulch door is closed. Open the side discharge door, align the chute with the pivot underneath, and lower it until it locks into place. Close the cover to finish setup. Step 8. Installing and removing the battery. Open the battery door and slide the battery into the right side compartment, aligning the ribs with the grooves. Push it in until you hear a click. Insert the safety key and close the compartment door. The mower won't start without the safety key installed. From the operator's perspective, the left side battery compartment provides power to the unit. The compartment on the right side serves as onboard battery storage. The mower features LED lights to indicate the battery level. Once the batteries are installed, the display will automatically show the current battery status. To remove the battery, open the compartment door. Remove the safety key, press the release button, and remove the battery. Powering on and off. To start, press and hold the power button. Then pull one or both of the blade activation levers toward the handlebar. Do both actions within 5 seconds. Once the mower starts, you can release the power button. To stop, release the blade lever and wait for the unit to come to a complete stop. Turbo button. Need extra power? Press the turbo button to increase blade speed. Press it again to return to normal speed. Keep in mind, turbo mode uses more battery life. Mowing tips. Use sharp blades for a clean cut and better energy efficiency. Avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the grass height at once. For tall grass, mow slowly or make 2 passes. Change your mowing direction regularly to avoid patterns and keep the rear cover clean to maintain performance. Storage and maintenance. Start by checking all nuts and screws and tightening them if needed. Make sure all cables are routed properly and secured to avoid wear or damage during use. After each use, clean the mower with water, a neutral detergent, and a soft cloth. Be careful to keep water away from the battery compartment to avoid damaging electrical components. Avoid using alcohol, gasoline, acetone, or any harsh solvents, and never scrub with sandpaper or metal brushes. To prepare the mower for storage, remove the grass catcher and battery. Fold the handles by pulling the handlebar latches. Then, lock them into place. Stand the mower upright so the brackets rest securely on the floor. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.